No, but record it to us though. Like, let me see them though. Record it, wait, record it.
Record. What we doing? What we doing?
Record me throwing that shit at me.
I'm gonna throw 'em at you.
Yeah.
Throw us. It hurt me more.
A ver, let's put. Who do you want? Who wants to be next?
It's his turn. It's his turn.
His turn.
I already got mine. Oh, it's fucked. I don't wanna go.
Let's do it.
Okay, I'll hold you.
Okay. Well, here I still have to clean mine.
Yeah, get rid of the dust. You don't want that on Oscar's back. What? You could zoom out even more?
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
Is it recording?
Yeah, recording, man. Damn, bro.
Como que a ti te toca, güey.
Oh, verga.
Sí, estás limpiando el tuyo, güey.
Valió pex, pues, señor. Fuck, dude. I ain't
Ready?
trying to do this shit.
Yeah, we all did it and shit.
¿Me lo van a poner a mí? Okay, fuck it.
Hey, güey. I got you. I think, güey. Yeah, I got it in front. Look at that. Look at that zoom out bullshit. That shit look nice as hell. Alright, falta Edgar now. Wait, do we have to record Edgar? No, we didn't, right? No.
Valió
Damn, güey, de esta pinche camisa está quemada, güey.
¡No mames!
No mames, güey.
¿En serio, güey?
No mames. It's all. Is everybody so burned?
A la mía porque está blanca, usted está negro.
El help of mine.
No se ve, no se ve.
No, it's like dusty.
Es que usted está negro, no está blanco.
No mames, this is burnt, nigga.
Yeah, it's like,
¡Hey, Dizzy!
What is this? I don't even know what I'm doing right now.
Suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah, supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah, 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 supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah, supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah. 100 racks, 50 stacks, 20 bags, where my stash? 100 racks, 50 stacks, 20 bags, where my stash? All designer bags, make Versace making cash. All designer bags, make Versace making cash. Yeah. Suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, suicide doors, yeah, supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah, supermodel whip with the suicide doors, yeah. 100 racks, 50 stacks, 20 bags, where my stash? 100 racks, 50 stacks, 20 bags, where my stash? All designer bags, make Versace making cash. All designer bags, make Versace making cash. Yeah.
what's up, everybody? It's your boy. Wait, is it Diver's Garage still? I don't know. I think I changed it actually, but whatever the name is, to be honest, I don't really know. I don't really care. I just finished editing a video. It took me 2 whole days to edit the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun. It was a fun car meet. Yeah. Hope you guys like it. This was some really small editing, some basics, I guess you can say. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. More are coming your way. That's just the beginning. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you guys do. If you guys have any recommendations, I'll gladly like to hear them. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna end the video like this. More to come. Just it takes time, you know. It just takes really hard time. It ain't easy. A lot of things. I've been doing a lot of things at the same time. If you guys are from the area, from where I live at, you already know I'm in the middle of starting my business. So little by little, I'm gonna be doing things like this again. And yeah, hope you guys like it. I'm gonna start editing videos. I'm sorry, I just woke up. Like I said, I just woke up. I just I woke up, I edited the video, I'm about to upload it, and yeah, right now I'm finishing it. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I'll see you guys soon again. Have a good one, guys.